excited to be back in San Diego, officially opening our new office out here.
The people in this office just have so much energy and excitement. It's really great.
We're so excited to be in San Diego today for the open house for our new branch and to see them move from such a small space to such a great office.
We just have a great group of people in San Diego. And plus the weather is just amazing here. I mean, let's be honest. It's the same beautiful weather every day.
We're excited about California and entering this market. We think there's a huge opportunity, and we feel like we've got the right people to help us really make a big difference.